guys, so as you pretty much know from the title, I'm pretty much getting my life back together before school. Because I start school, it was 2 weeks from yesterday when I start school. I start school on August 20th. Yay. Yeah. So I'm going to take you guys along with me because I have to clean my room, which means my room never really gets dirty, like messy. It just gets really dusty, and that's what I need to do. Is I need to dust. I need to get my school supplies all ready to go for the new school year and all that fun stuff. And I also want to clean my makeup brushes because I don't think I have cleaned them in a good year or two. I used to be really good at cleaning them every Christmas break and every summer break, but I just haven't done that in a long time, and I think it's time to really clean them. So I want to do that. But before all of that stuff, I need to do 2 things. And the first thing that I really want to do is go get my candle from out there, the living room of the basement, because it's my summer candle. I have my fall candle in my room right now, but I don't want to smell fall yet. Like, I still want to smell summer. So I'm going to go get my summer candle, and we're going to burn that while I'm cleaning because I don't want to smell all those cleaning fumes, because cleaning fumes are not fun. So we're going to go get that candle. So this is my summer candle. It's Sonoma. I got this at Kohl's. It's called Lush Island Palm, and it just looks like this. There we go. Looks like that. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's also not a very strong scent either, so I'd really suggest this candle for a smaller space rather than a bigger space. I did have this in a bigger space, and it still worked, but it took a while before I could smell anything, you know, but in a smaller space, it takes shorter for you to smell anything. So I'm going to burn this. Obviously, I've used quite a bit of it, you know, so I'm going to burn that. Okay, we're using the radio I have in my room for music, and I'm pausing it every time I talk to you guys on here for copyright. So, on to the cleaning. Also, it's currently 11:04. We have an hour until lunch. Let's get it done. done dusting. That didn't take me too long. And the last thing that you saw me dusting, holy crap, that thing was so dusty. For real though. So bad. Oh, also it started thundering. Awesome. That's okay. I've wanted a good thunderstorm like this during the day for a while now, so I'm kind of happy that we're having it. Kind of wish that I could have a lazy day again, but yesterday was my lazy day, so today I needed to do something, so we're doing it. But next on the list is cleaning my makeup brushes, so let's go. Guys, this is how you know your makeup brushes are really bad. Done. I'm in my bathroom, if you didn't know that. But that is done. Makeup brushes are pretty much clean. I hope. Sometimes it's really hard to get them completely clean, especially my kabuki brush because I use that for my powder. And I feel like any brush that you use for your powder is going to be the hardest because you use it the most, more than any of the other ones. But otherwise, and it's the biggest out of all of your brushes. So there's that. So I have them, let's see if you can see. I have them just hanging upside down because that's how they're supposed to dry. So I have them there. So now that that's done, it's about noon. I'm a little bit hungry, but I really just want to get my school supplies all ready to go. And I don't think that will take me too long. So I'm going to go do that. And we'll be done. And my dog is being really cute right now. Hey, Lily. Ninny Bud. Lily. Lily. We don't want to see your butt. You're so cute. I love you. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Isn't she just the cutest little thing? So yeah, let's go to my school supplies. Alright guys, so I have my dog. She wanted up here by me. So, I have my school supplies here. Oh. I have my school supplies right here. I have my backpack down here. And I have a trash can. And I have a Sharpie to write stuff on. So, I hope this angle is good. It's really hard to see. Oh well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to empty out my book bag with all my old school supplies, and I'm going to go through my new school supplies, take anything off like tags or stickers or something that doesn't need to be on there, and write my name on stuff and put the new stuff in my backpack, and then I'll be done. And you can just watch. And let's speed the process up a little bit. Here we go. That concludes it. It stopped raining, it looks like, which is good because that means I can go take my dog outside. It is currently 12:18 and I got everything done that I wanted to get done today, which is really nice because that means I have the afternoon to just be lazy. So, as you saw, I just kind of switched everything out of my backpack and, oh hello, my battery is flashing, so we're going to do this quick. So you saw that I was taking everything out of my backpack and replacing it. So now, later on, I'm going to add some stuff in my planner, but that won't be until later. So, and I'm going to write down labels on my binder, divider, accordion file folder thing. So, yeah, that concludes it. And thanks for watching.